Understanding YouTube analytics is the secret weapon for anyone serious about growing their channel and making a real impact online. Whether you're a seasoned creator, a brand hoping to expand your presence, or a newcomer ready to take on the digital world, diving into YouTube analytics unlocks a whole new level of strategy. It's not just about uploading videos and hoping for the best. Data-driven decisions are what separate top-performing channels from the rest. Let's break down how YouTube analytics works, why it matters, and how you can use it to energize your content and skyrocket your results. First, getting started is easier than you might think. YouTube provides a powerful built-in analytics dashboard called YouTube Studio, which you can access on both desktop and mobile. Just log in, head over to the YouTube Studio, and you'll find a treasure trove of insights waiting for you under the Analytics tab. Here, you can monitor your entire channel's performance or drill down into the details of individual videos. The beauty of YouTube Analytics is its accessibility. You don't need to be a data scientist to get value from it. All you need is curiosity and a passion for improving your craft. Now, let's talk about the core metrics that matter most. At the top level, you'll see channel views and watch time. These numbers give you a sense of how many people are watching your content and how long they're sticking around. High watch time is the golden ticket. It shows that viewers are engaged, and it signals to YouTube's algorithm that your content deserves to be promoted even more. Subscribers and subscriber growth are another key focus. Watching your subscriber count increase is exciting, but don't just chase numbers. Look for patterns. Did a certain video or series spark a spike in subscribers? That's a sign you're hitting the right notes with your audience. Real-time analytics add another layer, showing you exactly how many people are watching your videos in the moment. This is especially useful right after you launch new content, giving you instant feedback on what's working. Impressions and click-through rate, CTR, are all about your video's ability to grab attention. Impressions track how often your thumbnail is shown to viewers, while CTR tells you how many of those impressions actually lead to clicks. If your CTR is high, you know your titles and thumbnails are on point. If it's low, it's time to experiment. Maybe a bolder thumbnail, a catchier title, or a new approach altogether. Digging deeper, you'll find insights into how your videos are performing in playlists, which traffic sources are bringing you the most viewers, and even the demographics of your audience. Knowing where your viewers are coming from, whether it's YouTube search, suggested videos, or external websites, allows you to double down on what's working. Audience demographics, like age, gender, and location, help you tailor your content and messaging to better connect with your fans. When it comes to individual videos, focus on average view duration and audience retention. These metrics reveal how well you're holding your viewers' attention. Are people dropping off after the first few seconds, or are they sticking around until the very end? Use this data to fine-tune your intros, pacing, and content structure. Remember, keeping viewers engaged is key to unlocking more recommendations and organic growth. Ready to take your channel to the next level? Embrace the power of YouTube analytics. Let data fuel your creativity and guide your decisions. Experiment, measure, adapt, and grow. The possibilities are endless when you put insights into action. And if you're ever looking for an extra boost, more likes, subscribers, or engagement, Famety's energized team is here to help you shine across every platform. Level up your channel, connect with your audience, and make your mark on YouTube with confidence and style.